Do you ever get the feeling that your children or maybe your staff are just kind of getting pushed along, and there seems to be big gaps of knowledge that they don't really seem to have or understand? Hi, I'm Penny Nilsson, and it's Tuesday Takeaways. Quick tip for you today is to remember that our students and our staff that are under our leadership, we can't ask things from them that are out of their proximal development zone. And what I mean by that is when we're learning new concepts or learning new things, either it's too easy, we already have that information, or it's too hard and we can't do that learning on our own. But the sweet spot in that proximal development zone is where we can learn with just a little bit of help and a little bit of guidance, just like a little bit of intervention here and there where we might have questions to go along and we're able to have that learning happen. However, what I often see happening is that either the training material is full of gaps and the students aren't able to learn it, or the training material is too easy, or the training material is too hard. And of course, we're all at different places. So we need the training material to be easy all the way to hard and everything in between. But also, we have to give the space and time for students and staff to be able to absorb that information and for us to give them some guidance on how to absorb that information. Today's takeaway for you this week is to make sure that your learning material gives all the options for all of the different learners and where they're at. And heaven forbid that we should really put things into categories. And if they are going to be in categories or levels, be comfortable with students be okay with people going back if they have to a previous level to solidify and make sure that they understand that information. That's my tip for this week. Keep being awesome and don't make it too easy and don't make it too hard. Just find the sweet spot. Have a great week.